it's just not workable. Duit YouTube, conas tatu. So I realised I haven't really made a vlog to catch you up on New Year's and everything else, so this is what this is going to be. So for working backwards, the most recent thing that happened was we lost Honey. She went out when my mum went out of the house and didn't come back. So yeah, anyway, all my information will be on my Facebook page and on my Twitter and in the description for Honey's video. Okay, anyway, what else happened? Recently in work I just purchased a kayak, so I must introduce you to Hook at some stage, keep an eye out. What else happened? We did the high ropes training at the beginning of the month, which was great crack. I haven't had as much fun learning something for a while. Our instructor was fantastic as well. He had a story for every bit that he was trying to teach us, and it really made it easy to absorb what he was trying to say. So yeah, no, it was really good fun. We probably should have done this next bit the other way around. On the final day, after we passed our exams, we then went out and got drunk. We probably should have gone out the night before and got drunk. So that's pretty much January. Other than that, I've been working. I'm back in college, which is going very well too. We believe we're going to be on work placement in a month or two, so that's going to be interesting. Coming up, we have chairde, that's starting next month as far as I know. I will put full information to that below, and there'll be links to my previous chairde videos around here. Good fun, I hope you like them. December was pretty quiet, didn't really do a hell of a lot other than work and college. Did a bit of kayaking on the Liffey, test out my new kayak. That's about it. We were supposed to go kayaking either the weekend before last or the weekend before that, I can't remember. So yeah, because of all the high water, the rivers are just too strong, they're too fast, and for most of the kayakers, including me, they're just not safe to run. So we'll fix that. I am doing rolling lessons in Cavan at the moment, which is basically just knowing how to right my kayak if I capsize. So that's fun, and at least we get to practice in a warm pool instead of a very cold river. But anyway, that's something to work on for the next couple of months anyway. So yeah, I don't think I missed anything. I'll just show you the calendars that I got for this year. I did make kind of a recap video of my 2013, and it came out to about 40 odd minutes of footage, so I'm not going to do that. I might do kind of a recap of every month this year, just to make it easier, so I'm not recording 40 minutes of footage. Okay, so last year I had an inspirational landscape calendar, and they all came with these little quotes as well for every month. So this one is: boredom is the feeling that everything is a waste of time, serenity that nothing is. And I can't pronounce that, I think it's Zath. So that was last year, and this is this year. This is a charity calendar that the Dublin Fire Brigade do every year. So I believe this is for the Irish Children's Medical and Research Foundation at Our Lady's Hospital in Crumlin. So yeah, it's quite fun and features nice attractive firemen, and they have this little kind of fireman-y silhouette thing for writing in dates. So yeah, that was a bit of fun. Finally, we have Tom Daly's 2014 calendar. I just said, yeah, why not? Because yeah, it's kind of been a year of a lot of things, and Tom Daly is one of them. So, I don't know, I just said, yeah. So that's it. I hope you had a good New Year, and let me know if you made any resolutions. Mine is pretty much to just keep doing what I'm doing and get better at it. So that's about it. Go raibh agat, agus slán.